We are done with factoring the greatest common monomial factor or GCMF. Also, we are done in factoring the difference of two squares. Now, let us discuss factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. Let's have first a review. Can you give some numbers that are perfect cube? Very good. Here are some perfect cube numbers. We have 1. It is the product of 1 times 1 times 1. We have 8, a product of 2 times 2 times 2. We have 27, a product of 3 times 3 times 3. We have 64, a product of 4 times 4 times 4. We have 125, a product of 5 times 5 times 5. Can you give the next two numbers that are perfect cube? Good job! It's 216 and 343. Now, when do we say that a variable is a perfect cube? Excellent! A variable is said to be a perfect cube if its exponent is divisible by 3, such as x cubed, y raised to 6, m raised to 9, n raised to 12. Factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. We have a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Here are the steps in factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. To get the first factor, get the cube root of the first and the last term. To get the second factor, square the first term and the last term of the first factor, and get the product of the first term and the opposite of last term of the first factor. Factor completely. Example number 1. X cubed plus 1. The factors are x plus 1 and x squared minus x plus 1. Cube root of x cubed is equals to x. Cube root of x plus 1 is equals to positive 1. For the second factor, square x, which is x squared. Square positive 1, we have positive 1. Get the product of x and negative 1, which is equals to negative x. Example number 2. 8x cubed minus 27y raised to 6. The factors are 2x minus 3y squared and 4x squared plus 6xy squared plus 9y raised to 4. Cube root of 8x cubed is equals to positive 2x. The cube root of negative 27y raised to 6 is equals to negative 3y squared. 2x times 2x is equals to 4x squared. Negative 3y squared times negative 3y squared is equals to positive 9y raised to 4. 2x times 3y squared is equals to positive 6xy squared. Let's try this. Factor completely. You can pause the video to answer the given problem. Let's have the answers. Number 1. X cubed minus 8y cubed. The factors are x minus 2y and x squared plus 2xy plus 4y squared. Cube root of x cubed is equals to x. Cube root of negative 8y cubed is equals to negative y. Cube root of negative 8y cubed is equals to negative 2y. X times x is equals to x squared. Negative 2y times negative 2y is equals to 4y squared. X times positive 2y is equals to positive 2xy. Number 2. M raised to 6 plus 64n cubed. The factors are m squared plus 4n and m raised to 4 minus 4m squared n plus 16n squared. Cube root of m raised to 6 is equals to m squared. Cube root of positive 64n cubed is equals to positive 4n. M squared times m squared is equals to m raised to 4. Positive 4n times positive 4n is equals to positive 16n squared. M squared times negative 4n is equals to negative 4m squared n. Thank you for listening. Have a happy math time!